Experiencing a card not detected error in your Dacia Duster, Jogger, or Sandero. The most common cause is a depleted CR2032 battery in your keycard. This issue prevents remote locking or unlocking and can stop the engine from starting. First, confirm the error on your dashboard. Then, determine if the problem arose after a long period of use, exposure to cold weather, or physical damage to the keycard. Replacing the battery is the primary fix. If replacement doesn't work, the issue could stem from a faulty transponder, immobilizer glitch, or software bug. A hard reset can sometimes resolve immobilizer glitches. For persistent issues, professional reprogramming via a diagnostic tool is necessary to resync the key with the ECU. Always handle the card gently and protect it from magnets, heat, and moisture. To replace the battery in your Dacia keycard, you'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flat screwdriver. Locate the small groove on the edge of the keycard. Gently pry it open with the screwdriver, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation of the positive plus side. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Snap the card shut. Test the remote lock-unlock buttons. If the buttons work but the card not detected error persists, or if you encounter issues like corrosion on the battery contacts, consider professional help for reprogramming. Use only high-quality batteries to avoid corrosion or short circuits. OEM parts are recommended. Be aware that cold weather accelerates battery drain, so more frequent replacements may be necessary in colder climates. Remember to reprogram the key after the battery swap to ensure proper functionality.